Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 29th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So gold was pretty slow, pretty overlapping today. After it broke this structure on the higher time frames, it definitely did reject it. Now, my question are we going to make a correction to this whole move, like something like this over the next week or so, and then go down again? Or is this just going to keep on going down? Looking at other gold pairs for correlation, gold versus other currencies, I actually do think there is a pretty good chance this is going to go down again. I think there's a good chance it might go up first, maybe grab these highs, and then continue down from there. Tomorrow is FOMC interest rate news for the US. Definitely a very, very big news event, and I will be live streaming on YouTube for that news event starting 30 minutes before the news release. So definitely make sure you stop in tomorrow for that so you don't miss out on my analysis on all your favorite pairs. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpectorata.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.